Our systems, we try and encompass every single product that is of high quality. All of our installations include components that we've actually taken time to vet. I'll give you a simple example, the usage of connectors and cable. All of our connectors that we use only genuine ones. It is okay to pay a little more because the slight expense that you incur in putting a genuine component on far outweighs the liability and risk of it failing. We made a conscious decision that if we were to sell things, we would only sell things that had quality. We've always sold and retailed the larger brands. All of our parts and components are genuine. We use that because that is the best way to get a quality result that will last the test of time. Yes, it does cost us a little more, but that's all right because part of our promise is that we will deliver a high quality system, and to deliver a high quality system, we do have to charge a little more. In climates like this, where we experience extremes every single day, it is critical for a panel that is able to actually deliver based on both its coefficient of efficiency in terms of temperature and in terms of its ability to actually operate in adverse conditions. In the colder climate, however, in the hotter climate, when it gets really hot, actually allows for a much higher output. If you pick the right size system, the right quality system, which achieves all of your expectations and contributes positively towards reducing your dependence on the grid, I think it is a win for everybody. I think solar is a win-win for both the environment and your pocket. As long as you've made the right choice, it's a win in the long run.